To work with bounding boxes, we first need to select the data. Navigate to the Data section and choose the relevant dataset. Here, we select Data. If you have existing segmentations, you can use them to generate bounding boxes. Once you have selected the segmentation data, press Ctrl+A to select all data. You then have the option to generate bounding box using classification class or use segmentation class. In this demonstration, we have previously used both, but we will use classification class. Next, set the minimum size for the bounding boxes. In this case, 30 pixels. Now, navigate to the bounding box view. Here, you can observe the locations of the various bounding boxes. For example, you can see a cat marked with a red frame around it. If an annotation was incorrect, or if an object was actually a dog, you can click on the dog label and then the bounding box. The label will then change. Similarly, to change it back to a cat, select the cat label and then the bounding box. If you encounter a very small bounding box and are unsure of its content, you can always double-click it to zoom in for a closer view. You can continue to zoom in further. Double-clicking the bounding box again will zoom out. This functionality allows you to efficiently label the data you wish to work with.